which would you recommend doing first, the lip lift or dental work? I mean, I'll give people my opinion, but I want to hear yours.
Well, that's a good question. Why do people get lip lifts?
Well, oftentimes it's to expose the upper teeth. Not always. Some people just have a really thin upper lip and they want a more, more red lip show, and they're bothered by their elongated philtrum. So I would say maybe 60 to 70% of the time it's because they want their upper teeth exposed. In which case, I would imagine you don't want to expose bad teeth, but it's not the primary reason for, the remainder of those patients that come in.
Well, okay. So if their only reason to do a lip lift is to expose more teeth,
Hmm.
and they're planning to get veneers anyway, would they be able to show more teeth by just making their teeth bigger with veneers and then not need a lip lift, right?
Sometimes, yeah, it's
Yeah,
possible.
so that's possible. And for that, I would say that a collaboration with a cosmetic dentist and a plastic surgeon
Yeah.
like you and I, we can actually do a mock-up in the patient's mouth before they have their lip lift to see if they're
Hmm.
satisfied with those results. If not, I would say to do the lip lift first, because once that's in a healed, predictable position, and like you said, lips become even thicker after this. This is one of the reasons that you're doing it.
Yeah.
We want to see where that's stable so that we can create veneers to match that new whole context of what's going on.
Right. Yeah, and sometimes patients will come and they'll have other types of like more, I guess, complicated orthodontic type surgery that's being planned. And my preference, honestly, is always to just have them deal with all the bony skeleton structures first, get that set properly, and then I'll work on the soft tissue. So my preference is to have all that done first. But it's just that, a lot of people, even if they recognize that they would love to have veneers done or, go through that process, they maybe can't afford it at that time when they come see me, or, or other reasons why they just really want to just get the lip lift done because they're always just, so focused on that part of their face. But if it were up to me, I would send them all to you first and then deal with the rest. I just feel like you said, like if you have, some missing teeth, or you just, something is off about the teeth, it's going to change the way everything else looks on the surface. So I'd rather have that set right and then deal with the skin.
Yeah, and I think that we should approach cases like that together, not first or second, but
Yeah,
really look at them at the same time, whether we're there in person, our offices are not too
yeah,
far from each other, we're in the same city, or communicating through pictures and videos.
yeah.
It's definitely something that should be planned before drill or scalpel is picked up.
Yeah, yeah, no, I think that's a great idea. It's there's always room for improving efficiency, not just within one practice, but across practices.